Hello all, today I'm going to show you how to recognize text using Apple's Vision framework. In this tutorial, we are going to scan a document and display the scanned text in a text view. You need minimum Xcode 11 and iOS 13 device. You need a real device because we are going to use camera and we cannot test in simulator. You need minimum Xcode version 11. Create a new Xcode project, select app and enter all the details and select the interface as storyboard. And select the language as Swift and tap on create, and Xcode will create all the default classes and the boilerplate code. Now let's go to the view controller. Before writing any code, we are going to design the UI and go to main.storyboard. We are going to add text view under button. So drag and drop a text view and drag and drop a button. This is the text view where we are going to add our detected text, and this button is to open the camera. So I'm changing the properties of the button. I'm changing the size to 20 and I'm making it a semi bold. And I'm adding some constraints to the button. I'm making its width 120 and bottom constraint is 40. I'm making it horizontally center aligned. And similarly, I'm adding constraints to the text view to cover the remaining portion of the screen. Now let us run and see the code. Okay, you can see the text view under button. I'm disabling the editing and selecting of text view. Now let us go to view controller and create instances for text view on button. I'm control dragging the text view and I'm creating an instance, and I'm creating the action for the button. So in this button action, I'm going to add code to open the camera. So before that, I'm importing Vision and Vision Kit. So let's create a document camera controller. We are using VN document camera view controller, and I'm assigning the delegate and I'm presenting it from the current view controller. So Xcode will show the error to add the delegate, and I have added VN document camera view controller delegate. So let us see the delegate methods of VN camera document view controller, and these three are the delegate methods. The first one is did finish with scan and did cancel and did fail with error. So I'm adding did finish with scan. So this method gets called once the scanning of document is completed, and I'm adding did cancel delegate method also to handle the cancel action. And we need device to run and see, because we are using the camera, so we cannot test in the simulator. We need the device. So the app is crashing and it is saying it has crashed because it attempt to access privacy sensitive information. So this is because we are using the camera. So we need to add camera usage description in info.plist. So I have added and I'm giving the description. Now let us run and try. Now it is working and we were able to open the camera. Now let us add the code to dismiss the camera on both success and on cancel action. Now we will add the code to get the scanned images. So in the document camera view controller, the whatever we are scanning, the scanned images we will get in the scan object of the delegate. So we are iterating the scan object and I'm getting the scanned image using image of page method. So now we got the scanned image and we are going to recognize the text in the image. For that, we are going to create two instances. One is text recognition queue. This is because this text recognition we should not do in the main queue because it will block the main queue and UI will be blocked. So we need to create a separate queue for this. So I'm creating a separate queue and I'm creating a request. So this is an array of requests, VN request. Okay. Now to scan the text, we need to set up the vision. So I'm writing a method, setup vision, and in that I'm creating the instance of text recognition request. This is a VN recognize text request, and this is a handler. So once the text is recognized, this handler will get called. So we will write this handler after some time. And I'm setting the property recognition level as accurate. There is one more property called fast. So if we want fast recognition, we can use that, but it is not that accurate. So it is always good to use accurate. And I'm assigning this text recognition request to request object. And now we will start recognizing the text. So I'm creating a CG image from scanned image. And we are going to write text recognition handler. So I'm using VN image request handler. I'm passing CG image to it. And this is a request handler and we are going to call perform method in it. So I'm calling the request handler perform and passing the request. So this method throws errors. So we need to write try and do and catch to catch the exception. So we have written the text recognition code. Now we will run and check. So before that, we need to set up vision. So once this class is loaded, means this controller is loaded, we have to call setup vision. So that request will get set up and we'll keep a breakpoint and check whether the handler is getting called on recognizing text. So I'm scanning the text and I'm tapping the save. And this recognizer is getting called. So now we'll see what are all the objects present in the request. So I'm trying to print request.results. It is having around 26 objects and each one is VN recognize text observation. So I'm creating a results object from request.results and which is of type V and text recognition, V and recognize text observation. So this is array of objects. Now we are going to iterate this array and get each and every observation. I'm iterating the observation array, and each observation has candidates. So we are going to get the top candidates, means it will return many candidates with different accuracy levels. So always we are going to take a top candidate, and the number of maximum candidates it picks is 1. I'm setting it as 1, and we can set between 1 to 10, and out of that I'm picking the first candidate. So this is the most accurate one. So this candidate object is having the text. So to form the text whole string, we have created a recognize text string, and I'm getting candidate.string and assigning it to recognize text. Now let us run and see the objects in detail. So now I'm scanning the text and saving it. So I'm printing the observation and I'm printing the top candidate. So it is saying some important points you scan. So this is the first line, it's scanned, and I'm adding it to the recognized text. So now the second observation is should know about your car, and we are printing the recognized text. So the second one got added to the first one, and like this we are iterating all the observation, and we are keep on adding the text to the recognized text. So once all the observation is over, we are assigning the recognized text to the text view text. So we will run and check, and this is the document we are scanning, and on save, the text is getting extracted and displayed on the text view. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.